Hello, eighth graders. Wanted to make this video for you to show you what we're going to be using for this distance learning period of time until we're back in class together. It's called CK12. It's a flex book that Mr. Mahold made for us. So this is where we are going to keep a lot of our stuff. A lot of your reading and assignments are going to be, not really assignments, but a lot of practice stuff is going to be on this website. So I will email you out all a link. At some point on Monday, the 30th, so you can join this class. That'll be your first really assignment, I guess, if you want to call it that, is to get into the CK12 website so we can start using this. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour. The website is fairly new to me, so I will give you as many details as I can. So the overview right here, we have Earth's fresh water, Earth's oceans, atmospheric processes, weather and climate. That's what we're going to be talking about for the rest of the year, weather and stuff like that. So you click on any one of these, it brings you up all the stuff in that section. Now, I realize it's a lot. Okay, this first section has 9 subsections, but a lot of them aren't going to be assigned, like glaciers and groundwater. Those are in there just for you if you want to look around at some other things and check some other stuff out. So I know for these first 4, 1.1 through 1.4, are going to be assignments. So, for example, on Tuesday the 31st, you will be assigned the CK12 website 1 through 4, I think. Click on it. Click on Start right here, and then it'll bring you up the first section. What's nice about this is if you want to use the dictation tool for you, the select to speak, you can do that. You can highlight whatever you want. It'll talk for you. There's lots of links here. It just gives you a breakdown for this particular section about where the Earth's water is, stuff like that. You'll read through this. There's some videos. And then this one right here in the bottom right corner, view practice is going to be a big thing. Click on view practice. It'll bring you to another page where you get questions to answer. Okay, so now I'm not sure if we're going to sign the practice yet. I got to see how it's going to work, but it'll be a good place for you to go and test some knowledge that you might need to have for some future assignments. Okay, if you go to the view practice again down here in the corner, that'll be a good thing for you to do. But as you're reading this, take notes. Some things that you find important, like this picture right here, all water, oceans are 97%, only 3% is fresh water, stuff like that. As you're going through these, write some things down. The summary is important and the review as well. Some of these review questions might get assigned to you for homework. Okay, that'll be a big place. CK12 will get used a lot, so I want you to kind of look around and know how to use it. Again, look for that email on the 30th to join my classroom so you can get in there. Another thing I like about the flex books is if you click on the section, distribution of Earth or distribution of water on the Earth, there's other ways to learn. If you don't want to do reading, you have videos, some options here if you don't just want to read over and over again for those of you that aren't fond of reading. But again, use the select to speak too. It's all online, so it'll be easy for you to use. If you have internet connectivity issues, let me know, please. I can send you or we can get you paper copies, or I can find alternate ways for you to do assignments and stuff like that. But you got to let me know. Make sure you're checking Google Classroom daily. I'm going to use the stream feature. If you go over here to Google Classroom, Science, period 4, period 5, right here, stream. There's going to be a lot of things put in this stream, announcements daily usually about what you have to do. Make sure you're checking the Cougar Planner. That is going to be a big place too where all of the things are going to be linked. It'll tell you what you need to do for the day on the planner, and then in the stream I will also tell you what you need to do for the day. So 2 different spots, so hopefully you see it. If you need more work, extra resources, something's not making sense, make sure you let me know. Send me an email. We can do the office hours with the Zoom sessions and stuff like that. We'll go over all that as we go, though. Okay? But I want to show you this website right here. CK12, again, we'll be using this a lot. Check for that email on the 30th. If you have any questions, let me know, please. See you guys.